Hey guys, this is Andy, and welcome back to another MSI laptop tutorial. Today I am showing you the design concept and the hidden feature of Pulse 17 and 15 series. The new Pulse 17 and 15 B13V comes with a stronger sci-fi style outlook. The titanium gray metal armor and contour lines is perfect for those who loves a sturdy and futuristic design. Just like the valiant warriors of the tribe of Dragon, the Pulse series is about to rule the galaxy with the ultimate pulsating power. Like a soldier armed to the teeth, the laptop has the I/O ports that are equipped for your incoming battles. An HDMI port that supports up to 4K 120Hz output, a gigabit Ethernet port that provides stable connection, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A, 1 USB 2.0, and 1 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type C port, supports DP alt mode. The power core of the laptop is an up to Intel 14-core i7-13700H processor, full-power RTX 4070 GPU with DDR5 memory up to 64GB and ultra-high-speed NVMe SSD. The Pulse 17 and 15 series are equipped with a color-adjustable 4-zone RGB backlit keyboard with the translucent key is implemented on the WASD, arrow keycaps, and power button. Just like a high-tech armor, moreover, it has a number pad that can boost the battle efficiency. With the programmable 4-zone backlit adjustment feature by MSI Center, gamers are able to create their unique keyboard color. On the upper right corner of keyboard, you can find the power button. Remember to plug in the power adapter before you first boot the laptop so the factory shipping mode can be disabled, which was designed to prevent the laptop from being awakened from the transportation. To enter sleep mode, unlike other laptops, simply hold the power button till it enters sleep. The LED indicator color on power button changes from white to orange sometimes. That was actually a special design from MSI. When the LED is white, it means the laptop is using integrated GPU, and orange when it is using a discrete GPU. On the left of the power button, hotkeys and F1 to F12 are one of the most frequently used functions on the laptop, and by default, it activates the F1 to F12 when you click them. But if you like to access the printed hotkey, for example, camera off, click function plus F6 hotkey. But if you like to set hotkey as a default, here's how you toggle between these modes. By holding function key and escape key, the default function will toggle between each other. You will know it is activated with the LED indicator on the escape key. Next, I will show you the useful function hotkey combination which can be triggered with function key. If you use F1 to F12 as default, but still want to use hotkey combination often or not, you may want to configure the function key to be on the left side of the keyboard instead of the Windows key. Switching their functions can also reduce the chance of accidentally pressing the Windows key and leaving the game. MSI has an aid for it. You can switch their function in MSI Center, open up MSI Center, go to General Setting, click Switch Key. The function of both keys will be swapped immediately. Sometimes when you're gaming, you might want to increase the amount of airflow just like a turbo engine. This is when the Cooler Boost hotkey becomes convenient. By pressing function plus the up key, the fan speed will increase instantly, providing more airflow to the cooling system. Simply press the key combination again to return it back to normal. Tired of sniper rifle with no crosshair while not in scope mode? Or even crosshair gets larger when you're firing your gun? By pressing function and the down key, the crosshair will be right in the middle of your screen. Open up MSI Center, select Crosshair Display under Features page and customize your crosshair to your ideal color and position. You can move the crosshair with mouse move box checked. You definitely don't want a laptop that is the same with others, and it's even better if you can show your own style. The Pulse 17 and 15 series are equipped with a programmable keyboard that allows you to create your own kind of gaming laptop. In MSI Center, select Features, then click Mystic Lights. In Mystic Light page, you can choose how the light color pattern changes by selecting the LED style you like, or select the backlit color. There are also 3 profiles for storing your customization settings. The cooling system is the main factor that determines how your game performs. The Pulse 1715 series comes with a new Cooler Boost 5 design that equips dedicated thermal solutions for the CPU and GPU with 5 heat pipes. By enlarging the internal diameter of the thermal pipe and using MSI exclusive thermal grease to ensure maximum performance under extreme gaming. You don't always use two laptops to play games, right? Just like driving a car, you shift gear depending on whether you are driving in a city or highway. Now, same thing applies to laptops. You may use it to browse internet or complete your assignments. MSI F7 hotkey can let you switch between 5 modes easily. There are the Smart Auto, Extreme Performance, Balanced, Silent, and Super Battery. You can configure the detailed setting of Extreme Performance and User Mode in MSI Center. Most of the laptops adopt NVIDIA Optimus technology, which can bring longer battery life by putting the GPU to sleep while idling. However, to bring more GPU performance to users, the Pulse 1715 series come with MUX Switch Design. We can easily switch the GPU working mode by clicking the option in MSI Center, and the signal transmission will be changed to directly from the discrete GPU after the system rebooting. With MUX Switch, users can easily set the main video output source to discrete graphics, which has been proven that it will bring additional graphical performance in GPU-intensive workloads. We can fully release the graphics power and give you the highest performance possible. Hope you guys enjoyed the video today, and thanks for watching. See you next time.